Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to contact AliExpress Customer Service for USA. Open AliExpress application on your device and then go to your account at the bottom side of the screen. And here you should find Help Center that looks like a headphones icon. Here you can see popular solutions, frequently asked questions, and also you can use online service as well at the bottom. It's very simple. Here, write your question, send it, and wait for response. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.